what I have is a function. It tells me f of x is equal to k, a mystery number, times x cubed plus x minus 2. Tell me that it's a function. And it's telling me also that f minus 1 of x, the inverse, take this back here, the inverse function of this with an argument of negative 12 is equal to negative 1. And they're asking me to solve for k. This is a good problem. It's a very good test of like how much we understand about inverses. Basic thing about an inverse is this, right? X's, Y's, switch them. That's the inverse. Okay. But I got this k here. They want to know what k is. Well, okay, I can try that. I'm going to see if I can find the inverse of my f of x. I'll go through my steps. Y equals k times x cubed plus x minus 2. Next step. What's the next step?
Make it.
Yes, that's right. Switch the x's and y's. X equals k times y cubed plus x minus 2. Oh, no. Thank you. Very good. I got there before you were able to yell fish. X cubed plus y minus 2. Everybody okay with that? Implicit form of the inverse. This is an inverse. Now, I can tell you just by looking at this, I am not going to be able to get to an explicit version of the inverse. I am not going to be able to get y all by itself. I'm telling you that because here's what I did when I first approached this problem, and here's what you would do if I wasn't telling you this, right? Is you say, okay, I need to get y all by itself. So first, I'm going to divide by k. So now I have x over k is equal to y cubed plus y minus 2. And I know that Mr. Jenkins said I should get all the y's on one side, so I better add 2 to this side and add 2 to that side. So now I would have x over k plus 2 is equal to y cubed plus y. Are you with me here? Following what I'm doing? Okay. But really then I'm pretty much stuck. I'm pretty much
Can we erase that?
We will in a minute. Because if I decide to just take a y out of this right here, I'll end up with y times y squared plus 1 is equal to x over k plus 2. But, I mean, now if I divide both sides by y squared plus 1, I'm just putting my y on the other side again.
Wrong.
I'm not getting y all by itself. You see where I'm running into difficulty here? So I would get to a point, I would be hitting my head against the wall, and I just wouldn't know what to do. I said yes. A little more? Okay. Is that good? Okay. Can I erase?
Cassie, you can copy it from me, honey.
You sure? Okay, so I see that I'm stuck, and I really don't know what to do. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take all of these things here, if I can, and I'm going to delete them. And I'm going to say, I'm going to go back to here, where I said, okay, well this is my inverse function. I switched my x's and y's, didn't I? And it's telling me that in my inverse function, if I have negative 12 for x, I should have negative 1 for y. Isn't that what it's telling me here? If I evaluate my inverse for negative 12, I should get negative 1. Let's try it. Well, it says if I evaluate my inverse, this is my inverse right here. This is inverse. It's implicit, but it's still an inverse. So it says, okay, evaluate it for negative 12 for x's, and your y should be negative 1. Okay, well, negative 12 equals k times negative 1 cubed plus negative 1 minus 2. Negative 12 equals k times, well, negative 1 cubed is negative 1, isn't it?
We forgot the second. Oh, never mind, I'm so sorry.
Okay, don't worry about it. Negative 1 minus 1 minus 2. Negative 12 is equal to k times negative 4 divide by negative 4 divide by negative 4. I find out that k is equal to 3.
Yay.